Good morning. We're just getting our morning steps in. Tom's very tired, aren't you? Oh. This morning. So I'm in charge today. We're just getting our morning strolling. Then we're going to head to the gym, aren't we? Squirrels. Push day for Tom. I wasn't going to train. I was just going to do some cardio because I've done legs for 7 days straight. So I thought it's best to give my legs a rest. The reason I'm training is because last night when Tom fell asleep, I decided to watch our YouTube video because I hadn't seen it yet, and I ate a full pack of biscuits to myself.
Yes, you did.
So I had a little snack accident. So
I found the evidence this morning.
Tom found the empty packet this morning. So I'm going to do a bit of legs or glutes. Only a little bit, just to move some weight around, try and use up the calories that I ate yesterday, and then I'll do half an hour like on the Stairmaster or something.
Cake cows.
Burn some cake cows.
Burn some cake cows.
So yeah, but no, the plan today is to go to the gym, have some breakfast, go and explore some more at Chiang, find an area that we haven't seen yet, and then come back because this afternoon we're doing the Thai cooking class, which we did last year, which is amazing. We had such a good time. I think it's like £35 per person. They pick you up from your accommodation, they take you to a food market, and you pick out all the ingredients that you need to make your meals, and you make 5 meals and you eat them all. And yeah, it's just great. The place is absolutely stunning, and the staff are great, aren't they? So yeah, really excited for that, so stay tuned.
So the lady who has this Airbnb hotel, she's absolutely adorable. She's class. She's like a really nice old lady. She puts in a breakfast spread every morning for everyone. You can make coffees and everything. She'll bring you toast if you want to put it on. The cereals a lot, and there's miniature bananas, which are class. Yeah, there's just making a coffee for today, for this morning, which we'll take it up and have on the balcony. And I'm going to take a couple of tiny bananas for, oh, I dropped one, so I'll take that one. Oh my god, never mind. See you soon. Just ruined a pile of bananas. Secured. You can eat your breakfast here, but we're going to take, I'm going to make my obviously cream rice upstairs and have it on our balcony. Okay, then has a coffee. That's the gym over there. The cross trainer. Yes.
I'm just having some small breakfast on the balcony. I've got my coffee, and I've got a pandan custard brioche croissant thing from the market last night. Pandan's like an Asian dessert custard. It's made from, I think it was coconut milk and pandan leaf, so it's some sort of plant, I think. But yeah, it's really nice. It's just really sweet. Yeah, tastes really good. And this is the view this morning. It's so nice and so peaceful. You can just hear the birds and just wildlife. It's just really pleasant. And this is the thing with Thailand, it's not modern, it's not, especially up north and in Chiang Mai, it's not, as you can see, like clearly well built up. So houses are a bit random, they're a bit shanty, like over there. It was like a wooden house with plants and I don't know what you call it. There was like shanty sort of roofs and material drawn alongside it, but I don't know what it is about it. I just kind of like it. It's just like, it feels homemade is probably the word that I'm looking for, which I like. It's authentic and it's genuine. So yeah, this is the view. I'm gonna eat my little tart and drink my coffee.
And we are on our way to the gym. Big push session on the cards for me, so Kate's doing a bit of glutes and a bit of cardio. So you have the joy of myself this morning. So I'll get all of my sets filmed and put on to here.
This is my favourite tree, which sounds ridiculous, but it's just so bloody cool. And then there's like a little shrine in the middle of it. It's just so cool. Love it. So this is, I think it's the Fey Gate, and there's like a little shrine here where people come and they leave bottles of drinks with straws in, so see if you can see. I think it's almost like pay respects to the gods, something like that. It's just really cool. And then the gate goes on. I think it's like part of a ruin. It's something we actually need to look into, but it seems to be very popular, and it's kind of like marks the wall of the main square, which is cool because at least we know we're in the right place. And there we go. How cool is that? It's just mega. It's just different. Don't know how I'm going to fit through there, but Tom did, so I can. Ooh. Smoothies. Here are the Thai desserts that they have in 7-Eleven. So pandan custard, bread, and then you've got like shredded pork, raisin, sausage, butter on toast. I'm okay with one. For me, I'm okay with one. Yeah, shredded pork mayonnaise. They've got chocolate bread, taro bread, which is like a sweet potato, I think. So, all this cool stuff. There's so many things to try. A donut cake. Oh my god. Cake roll. There's loads. Absolutely loads. Love 7-Eleven. So I was just making his protein shake. So we just went to 7-Eleven and got some water. Oh, no it's not. He's topping up his, what is it? Aminos.
Yeah, it's a creatine while we train. And you can have their limited water.
Fruit looks amazing here. It's just fresh and massive. Look at that. Is that corn? Some more fruit coming up. Wow, look at the size of them apples. Bananas. Yeah, that's what I tried in Bangkok. Oh, mangosteen. We just stopped in this little shop so Tom could get a tub for his cream of rice. He's happy.
Child with fat cheeks.
I think this is where all the locals get all the goods from the markets and stuff. Get some tints over your Christmas tree. Aww. We have arrived at the gym. It's really cool to be fair. I rate it, to be honest.
push day is about to begin, beginning with the pec deck. So push day is going to consist of obviously chest, shoulders and triceps today. 2 sets on each, a couple of warm-up sets on each to get it done, and everyone. It's one of my favourite incline presses I think I've ever used. So much movement in terms of adjustments on the foot plate and things like that. You can set it as far back and as far forward as you want. The seat as well, and it's individual hands as well. So yeah, very very good piece of kit, and another real leader piece. Like I said yesterday, the hacks that we've got in our gym already. I tried a couple of the pieces, like I didn't like the leg extension, didn't like the hamstring curl, was terrible. The abductor was absolutely the worst thing I've used in probably any gym, but this, very, very good. So as always, I always do an isolation exercise and a compound movement for the particular body part. So for it, let's do pec deck, isolation exercise, incline chest, compound movement. Now we're on to the side raise for the delts, then I'll go on to a shoulder press, easy as that, and then another isolation exercise and a compound chest movement for the centre of the chest, then a lower chest exercise, then we're going to triceps. Very, very simple setup, 2 sets on each. Low volume set first, which is a heavier set. High volume set second, which is obviously going to be the lighter set to finish off. Like I mentioned yesterday, there's a lot of copies of kit here. There's this shoulder press by Nexus. Now this is an Arsenal strength piece that's been copied obviously. The Arsenal strength piece has got a phenomenal movement and it's an identical copy, so it's class. We've got a copy of the Nautilus shoulder press and then some other random piece as well, which is a copy of something that I've probably not seen, or it might be their own. But it's good because I tried all 3 and confirmed obviously I really like the Arsenal strength one anyway. So to get an identical copy, the movement's great, the movement's perfect. So we're using this one for shoulder press. So just as I mentioned, they're all copies. Now we can see here, this is an identical copy. We even copied the seat. Now I don't rate primal kit at all, so I won't be using it. It's just terrible. Build quality and everything. Now on with the isolation exercise for chest. Now we're going with this piece here. I think this type of machine was made famous by Panata, and then obviously there's been several copies throughout over the last 3-4 years. This I'd say is even better than the Panata one. The Panata one's good, but this allows a proper dig underneath the chest as well. The foot plate is by the bottom, because Panata's obviously moves up the machine. On this you move the foot plate, but very, very good movement. So for the flat press we're going with this Nautilus copy. Just tried it several warm-up sets. The movement on it is actually really, really good. I know I spoke to a few people about these notes, which is this range, and they don't like it. This, I mean, like I did try the incline, wasn't for me, but this flat press is very, very good. So 2 sets on that, 6 to 9-ish, and a 12 to 15-ish. Triceps now, and I do always like to try new things. Obviously, it's a gym over, it's always good to try and keep. You never see this copy of an app machine. You can always tell by holds and everything. I've never actually used this. I've seen this in gyms before in the UK, rare. To be fair, it's very, very good. So 2 sets on this. This is 50 gram away. In a bag.
This looks like a dodgy deal in a back alley.
It does, doesn't it?
Literally, hang on. Tom making his protein
this could
shake.
go absolutely terrible. It's like the hole's not big enough.
Do you want me to make the hole?
I think I'm gonna have to make it really big and just show it through.
You're looking pumped, my love.
Good session, that to be fair. I really like. Good gym.
Yeah, it's a good gym.
When we retire here, that could be our gym. 15 years to go.
Hey?
15 years to go.
That should be enough. Oh. So we just split the bag in half, basically.
Oh my god.
Why don't we go to a restaurant and see if they've got a spoon?
If in doubt, let Caitlin do it. Remember, every gram is vital.
Fuck off. Remember, the shakes and stuff. Weirdo. Thing is, he's not even gluten intolerant.
I'm not even gluten intolerant anymore. I've just brought 3 tubs of the protein. So, another very, very good session. Really happy with that today. If you want to watch the full session, it's going to get posted in a separate video. And we're going to keep the clips, obviously, on the days in Chiang Mai quite short, just to get an idea of what we've done. And then do a separate training video of the actual session itself. So, Caitlin's idea, and to be fair, I'm on board. Just work out, just walking from that way from the gym, literally 2 minutes. Found this lovely little place, and it's, by the sign says, open. Gosh. So, just left the gym from that way. About a 5-minute walk. We found this lovely little restaurant. Very, very excited for this. Little elephant menu. Bit of everything. I think, yeah, I'm gonna get the stir-fried pineapple again. Stir-fried chicken with pineapple. That chicken sounds nuts. And everything. So we've gone with sweet and sour grilled chicken. We've gone with the Thai green curry. You can hear my smoothie in the background being made now, which is the mango one. Okay, it's got 4. Strawberry smoothie. Absolute winners. Really ready? Let's try a little bit. Yeah, that's really good. It's another winner meal.
We've just stumbled across a pet shop. And look at these. Not quite your average UK pets. I suppose you can get lizards and stuff. Look at the tails.
Yeah, the best ones, sorry.
Okay.
It's rats.
Oh, it's just rats. No bunnies. Oh.
They're snails.
Snails. I think they were crabs at one point.
Oh, yeah.
We've just got to go and hope that they stop. Which is, oh my god. Go again?
I don't know.
Oh, they don't want to stop. Ugh. So we're going to stop for some lunch somewhere. Oh, that's nice.
Not this one, if not this.
Yeah. Oh, this is lovely.
Happy to do this one. This is really good.
Got smoothies. Got mango.
Chicken and black pepper.
Yeah. This looks so cute. Cool. Oh. So we just come to a hotel, so we're going to compare the difference between a hotel made meal compared to what we had this morning in a little shanty random restaurant. So what's the verdict? Oh gosh.
It's the same price though, it's 89 baht, which is just over £2 less. I think that was 870 baht. So that's just over £1 something, so again, you're talking for both just over £6 for this meal, including 2 drinks, 2 meals.
2 meals, 2 drinks. And
That's
both,
very, very good.
both got garlic chicken, didn't we?
We've not tried it yet, so I'll be definitely giving it a go.
And this is our little shanty street where we live. And we live here in Lafcam House, which is just really lovely, like traditional Thai, isn't it? Like authentic Thai.
Wonderful.
It's very basic, all like oak wood. Massive bed, massive room to be honest. Yeah, it's just lovely.
She did say we bought the big room and literally and
Yes.
and was like, yes. Is that okay?
It's just run by a little lady who's really lovely. She puts out breakfast every day, doesn't she? She's so nice. So yeah, here's the locals. And we are staying in this room. So we've just been picked up from the cooking school, well, by the cooking school, and they're just taking us to the market to get all our ingredients. And it's so cool. It's all just like fresh produce. It's crazy, absolutely crazy.
Okay, between small and medium, you think which one is the most spicy? Small. Small one? You think which one? Which one is the most hottest? Small one? Small one? Small one still? Okay, between these two, the most hottest is everyone in here. Oh, we are spicy team, okay? See? Okay, Renzo. I will take you to get a snack. Are you ready?
That's a proper tree, isn't it? Leisure bugs. The fruit and desserts, all the Thai desserts. See you later. There's all your chicken.
That's the way you keep flies away from your meat. Not sure about the heat though, if it's going to survive the heat, but that looks a little bit. So you can order this. It's moving because they're in it. But you get a bowl of this. Wow. And then there's bags of different ones. And then plates of different ones. Yeah, they got a new thing.
It's like coconut sticky rice with like, I don't know, sugar.
She's happy. I got pineapple. 20 baht. Yeah, 20 baht. Pineapple. 50p. Fresh. So we've arrived at our cooking class and it's going to be in here. But this is the grounds it's on. Crazy. There's our little hut we're going to be cooking in. Just prepping the ingredients now. At the table we eat at after you've cooked it. So we're cooking 5 dishes. And once you've cooked it all, you then take it over to your table and eat whatever you've cooked. Throw these sandals on the floor and in here, so they don't get mud on or whatever. But yeah, it's nuts. It's absolutely class. You can always rely on Caitlin to find yeah, we've got to get on. I'm coming. Listen. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. We just nearly died. We nearly died. She's got bright red. She's got bright red, hasn't she?
Oh,
Wow.
he scared me to death.
Look at our mates.
Look at this seesaw.
Oh, team.
It's so nice, yeah.
As oyster, they are quite tasty like this one because we just sweet from this one. This one is called brown sugar. It's made from the sugar cane. Once again, that's the matter with the brown and the white is made from the same thing. So this one here we Let's come here. For you. On here. On here. Okay, and put it down. Down you go. Okay. For you. Let's come here. Stop your diet. Okay, last. Let's get the last one. Okay. This last time try for spring roll. I want you to make only one piece for one person, so I will show you how. This one we're gonna work on 2 parts. Part 1 we do for the filling part, and part 2 we do for the decoration. So part 1 we're gonna do start by the rice paper. It's made from the rice flour. So this one you have to put inside the water 10 seconds. So here, first of all, the water inside the tray here.
Yeah,
Yeah, you get a bit more than that. Go on.
And then also here, and then bring the paper.
Guess the more the tastier.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Make it from on
More meat, the better.
Then it's a day for you to have 1 and 2. Put it further down and top. First one right there. So you see, and then
Go on, team.
pack it in. Make it for acupuncture every week.
Right,
Yes, they do. After Korean style. I love Asuka Chinese way. Okay, which one? Cheers. And so you just like
Say a bit.
break them up down 20 times, okay?
Yeah, well done.
I'll show you. Bring them up down 20 times slowly.
Forgot to wet it.
Mix them in well.
Right, yeah.
And then pour it back on this. Oh, it's good.
Well done,
5
team.
stars. Yeah.
Right.
That's not too bad. Not too shy.
And then you okay, there we go. You have no prawn. You have fried rice or chicken rice so here. Cook the chicken, turn to white color all. So here. For the fried rice as well, so one here. All the menu cook the chicken until they turn to white color. So one here. I know it seems like silent, but this one is going to be very useful for your when you go back to your home. So one here, cook until they turn to white color. So for pad thai here, I'm gonna say for only pad thai with
Camera kind of went weird, but we have made the pineapple fried rice, which I had the other day. We've done very well. And side.
okay, huh? And here, you will be there. Let me see.
Oh, it's
You
thick.
are the cigarette
Jesus.
And here, okay. Cheer you. You be the chef for the street part, and you be the chef. Oh, biggest one. You show strong muscle. More. More? Yeah, there we go. Yes, good amount. Yeah, only one tablespoon. Okay, and then you can do like as a normal one for the second one. You do great, like yes. Okay, like a normal one. Yes, normal one is good enough. Okay, only 2 tablespoons or one. Okay. Okay, turn again, customer please. This is good. You do great amount. For this one, gonna be the sauce part. As you first start, yes. Okay. Like a cup down. Deep breath. Take a deep breath in. You smell the fragrance. Run here, run. You can come smell here. You smell the sweet part. You smell the palm. Yeah, you smell the palm. And yes, really good. You saved my life. Thank you. You know, it's just like, you know, because it's just sharing my experience. When all in, slowly, all over. Good job. There we go. Keep going. There we go. And then we got a baby girl today. On the right. See. Another solution. You can. Yeah. You will cut the tricep and the bicep. Yeah.
Expensive. Like, are we actually going to use it? Is it any good? It's pretty good.
Finish now.
Yeah, to be fair.
700.
Yeah, around that. If you use it, yeah, it's really, especially for this, like we've used it a lot because it's small. It's not like taking your phone out.
Photo of this curry.
This is the condiment.
So I'm here how to eat this curry as a Thai traditional way. So cook the curry on top of the rice and then eat one by one. And for course, so you can eat with